Welcome to Weight Ask channel. Today we have an exciting and nutritious recipe for you, the Keto Green Smoothie. If you're ready to boost your energy, shed those extra pounds, and nourish your body with essential nutrients, you're in the right place. But before we dive into this amazing recipe, let's get started. Wait, before starting this video, I introduce you with Ikaria Lean Belly Juice, which will help you to burn belly fat naturally. For more details, click the link in the video description below. To make a keto green smoothie, you will need spinach, wash the leaves before adding to the blender. Avocado, chop it up into bite-sized pieces. Lemon juice, fresh lemon juice will work, or you can buy in a bottle and use that as well. Erythritol or any sweetener, just a little bit of sweetness is perfect. Sweetened almond milk. This mixed with the avocado makes that smoothie texture. Ice cubes. Ingredients: 1 or 2 cups spinach, 1 chopped avocado, 1 or 2 lemon juice, 2 tablespoons erythritol or any other keto sweetener, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, 3 or 4 cup ice cubes. Place all the ingredients into a high-speed blender to blend it creamy and smooth. Pour the green smoothie into a glass to serve. Are you serious to manage your belly fat naturally? Click the secret video link in the video description. The link will delete it in few days and never up in this video. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and share this video with others. For more expert advice on living a healthier life, don't forget to subscribe to Weight Ask channel. Thanks for watching!